Hi, welcome to the channel for all things metal roofing in North Carolina. I'm Audrey, your host, and today we're tackling a very important question. What are the top signs that you've hired the best roofing contractor? Finding the right contractor can make all the difference. So here are 8 clear signs that you've made the best choice when hiring a roofing contractor. The first sign, they're licensed and insured. The best contractors always have proper licenses and insurance. This shows they're not only professionals, but also committed to your safety and security on every job. Gator Metal Roofing is fully insured and our accident insurance keeps you protected. The second sign is they have a good reputation. Do your homework and look for reviews and testimonials. A trustworthy contractor will have a strong track record of satisfied customers. Gator Metal Roofing has over 100 5-star reviews from satisfied customers across the state on our Google page. You can also find many video testimonials from past customers on our social media, Facebook, and YouTube channels at Gator Metal Roofing. The third sign, they offer clear, detailed estimates. Transparency is crucial. The best contractors will provide you with a detailed estimate that outlines all aspects of the project. This ensures everyone is on the same page. At Gator, we offer you free, personalized, in-depth estimates with the best price guarantee. The fourth sign you've hired the best roofing contractor is they're safety conscious. The best roofing contractors ensure that safety is a top priority for every roofing project. They adhere to industry safety standards to protect their team and your property. The Gator Metal Roofing installers work diligently and professionally while maintaining safety standards. The fifth sign you've hired the best roofing contractor is they communicate effectively. The best contractors are great communicators. They keep you informed every step of the way, from project timelines to any unexpected issues that may arise. Gator Metal Roofing is known for its customer service and communication. The sixth sign you've hired the best roofing contractor is they use top quality materials. Quality matters, and the best contractors won't cut corners. They use the best materials to ensure your roof's longevity and durability. Gator Metal Roofing uses only the highest quality residential grade roofing materials that are custom fit to your home and designed to be hurricane wind resistant, fire resistant, hail and rain resistant, as well as fade proof. The seventh sign you've hired the best roofing contractor is they offer warranties. Confident in their work, the best contractors provide warranties that back up their craftsmanship. This is a sign of their commitment to delivering quality. Gator Metal Roofing offers a lifetime warranty. The eighth sign you hired the best roofing contractor is they understand local weather patterns. The best roofing contractor has a deep understanding of your local area weather patterns and building codes. They know the unique challenges that North Carolina's climate can present and can tailor their roofing solutions accordingly. Gator Metal roofs are built to stand tall and maintenance-free for decades in North Carolina's harsh hurricanes and storms. So remember these 8 signs when choosing a roofing contractor. The best roofing contractor is reliable and professional. Your roof isn't just an expense, it's an investment in your home's future. Ensure it's in the best hands. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more insights on metal roofing in North Carolina.